Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm creating a mini pocket letter, and this one is a little bit different than other mini pocket letters I've made. I am using a 6x8 page protector to make this album. There are 3 pockets, so 2 small ones that are 3x4, and then a larger one that actually measured out a little bit larger than 6x4. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. But this video is actually in collaboration with Tombow USA. I am on their design team, and this project is like an extended version of one that I shared on their Instagram today. So if you are here from Instagram, hello, my name is Danny. I make crafty videos here on YouTube. While you're here, if you would want to stick around, maybe subscribe. I do crafty videos about 3 times a week, and then in October, I will be doing a video every single day. So I know that you don't want to miss that. It'll be super duper fun. I'm calling it my creepy crafty days, and it's a blast. So make sure you stick around for that. Here I am decorating the first card. This is the largest one, and I am using my stash from this month. So I'm using the Creekside collection by One Canoe 2. I almost always mess that up and have to re-say it. I don't know, it's just a mouthful. But I printed out my own papers and cut out my own die cuts and things. And I do have the washi tape from the collection, so you can see throughout this pocket letter that I will be layering that up. And I'm going to be using some Moonstruck alphas to spell out wild. So I love the Moonstruck alphas. They're really pretty and they go perfectly with this whole collection. But the reason that I'm spelling out wild, and then further on the quote, how wild it was to let it be, is because this whole mini pocket letter is inspired by the book called Wild by Cheryl. I freaking adore that book. I love it so much. I read it several years ago and I've read it multiple times since. I've seen the movie a few times. I love it too. And it's just like a really empowering story, you know, of a woman's journey, both, you know, actually physically on the earth, step by step, making a journey, but also like her internal and emotional journey. I thought was really, really interesting. So if you have not read Wild, I highly suggest it. Plus it has hiking in it. And we all know by now that I'm a hiker girl and I freaking love it. So yeah, so I love this collection partly for that reason, because it does have outdoorsy stuff in it, which I love. I love camping. If you love camping and hiking, leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite place to go hiking and or camping, because if it's anywhere near me, maybe I'll go check it out. So yeah, but here, this card, I bumped up that little, I guess, backpack with some foam tape and then added a little sticker. For this card, I'm going to layer on a couple of these like fern die cut things with this journaling journal spot card thing, whatever. But I'm actually going to cover up the canoe with the fern because I don't really remember Cheryl canoeing much in the book Wild, so I wanted this whole thing to kind of go with the story, go with the themes of the book. So if you have not read the book Wild, it's where Cheryl Strayed goes on the Pacific Crest Trail, and she travels from the border of California and Mexico all the way up through Oregon. I think, yeah, she stops in Oregon, at the border between Oregon and Washington. So yeah, so that's what inspired this whole little pocket letter. I think it's really cool. So obviously she had a backpack. She was traveling through forests and things at points where there were ferns and wood and stuff. She had to like climb over big logs and things, and she traversed mountains with snow. So that's kind of the whole, you know, visual tie-in for the book. So I think it's really cute. I love how this pocket letter turned out. I'm gonna be kind of bummed and sad to send it away, but you know, I'll forever have this video to look back upon in case I start missing it. But yeah, at this point, I'm just kind of finishing up the cards, adding some little details with enamel dots and jemmies for my stash. And then I'm going to call this thing just about done. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, I would love for you to do so. I have a lot of really fun things coming up. But thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!